Well, little interesting system formed here along an unstable boundary. You can see it. Anvil comes up over here. It's a very interesting looking anvil. Wind swept away from the stone. So let's see what it does here in the next 15-20 minutes. Well, we have what I would call a wall cloud forming here on this thunderstorm cell. It's interesting to see this type of minor rotation. There's a little bit in here and I can visibly see it. The reason why this is interesting is how low top the storm cell appears to be. You can see its updraft goes up right here and the anvil top is here. The updraft is a tilted updraft, and the updraft base right here is rain free. So this may continue to develop, may not, might have just been a brief, explosion of activity. I guess we'll continue to watch it and see what it does.